Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be styling Classic Fishtail Braid, which is a style mainly focused on introducing our beginners on how to create elegant styles. So if you find this tutorial helpful, consider sharing to your friends, like my work, comment, and stay locked to the end. Now today we are exploring the Classic Fishtail Braid, a timeless style known for its intricate appearance, yet crafted with a simple beginner-friendly technique. This look offers elegance and versatility, making it perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to achieve this stunning braid with ease. We begin by separating strands at the crown section, creating a side swoop that flows gracefully from the left side of the face to the right. This swoop not only enhances softness and frames the face, but also creates the illusion of elongation, enhancing the overall elegance. At the back, I'm crafting identical fishtail braids to maintain balance and symmetry, ensuring the final look is polished and cohesive. I began by picking a strand from the right section, laying it flat, and then selecting a second strand from the left, crossing it over the first right strand. Next, I picked a third strand from the outer hinge of the right section and crossed it over to the left. Following that, I selected a fourth strand from the left outer hinge and crossed it over to the right section. Notice how strands are crossed over to the adjacent section rather than the center. This technique creates a braid composed of only two sections, maintaining a clean and structured design. The key here is to alternate strand placement from each side in a consistent pulsating rhythm. This rhythm, enhanced by equal negative space between the strands, adds a pronounced visual appeal, making the braid truly stand out. While working, it's essential to align the strands carefully at an angle that maintains symmetry and balance. Since this braid isn't meant to be too tight, apply gentle yet considerate tension as you cross each strand over. This approach prevents the braid from loosening further while preserving its seamless and elegant touch. With these steps in mind, you will achieve a fishtail braid that's not only stylish but also refined and professional. Bearing in mind that the classic fishtail braid lies loosely flat on the scalp surface, you need to maintain consistent tension as you work backwards in order to minimize chances of the braid loosening further after you are done with the braid. This is basically to maintain that seamless approach all the way to the nape area. I used a lock strand to secure the braid at the back. Now moving to the second braid, I began crafting a fishtail braid on the right side, carefully mirroring the first braid on the left. The process remains straightforward, crossing lock strands from the outer hinges to the opposite sides, maintaining a consistent two-sectioned braid. This standard technique is the hallmark of the classic fishtail braid, also known as the standard fishtail braid. One of the defining features of this braid is its flat, sleek structure, making it incredible, versatile, and easy to style. Whether left to flow naturally or incorporated into an updo, its adaptability suits a variety of occasions, from casual to formal. For beginners, this style is an excellent starting point. Its repetitive and simple technique allows you to master the fundamentals of braiding without the complexity of additional sections or intricate patterns. Practicing this braid helps improve hand coordination, tension control, and the ability to maintain consistent spacing between strands, all being essential skills for achieving more advanced styles. With its timeless elegance and beginner-friendly approach, The classic fishtail braid is not just a style, but a foundation for building your braiding expertise. Once the braid was complete, I secured it at the back using a lock strand, allowing the remaining strands to hang freely. Leaving the strands to hang adds a natural flow to the style, enhancing its relaxed yet elegant appearance. This approach creates movement and dimension, making the braid more dynamic and visually appealing. After completing the two standard fishtail braids, I manged and secured them at the back to elevate the ponytail. This technique enhances elegance of the style, adding a more pronounced depth and dimension at the nape area. By bringing the braids together, this look achieves a polished and cohesive finish, perfectly balancing structure and sophistication. Now, I am moving to the crown area to add that face framing touch. I begin by taking a small section, starting the fishtail braid and crossing the strands over one another as I braid backward. This simple yet effective face framing element not only enhances the overall look but also adds depth and dimension, making the style feel more polished and sophisticated. At the same time, it spices up the identical fishtail braids running down to the nape, providing a dynamic contrast between the stretch and braid and the loose flowing sections. This beginner-friendly tutorial focuses on mastering the classic fishtail braid with ease and precision. With each cross, I make sure to maintain that smooth, consistent rhythm. Once I reach the end of the braid, I leave the strands loose on the right side, allowing them to flow naturally. This creates an illusion of face elongation, drawing attention to the facial features. The loose strands also introduces a softer, more flattering frame around the face. Now, as you complete this stunning fishtail braid, you can see how the loose strands framing the face adds a soft elegance, perfectly balancing the sleek braids running down the back. This style brings together the fundamentals of hair design, that is rhythm, symmetry, and structure, while allowing for just enough free-flowing movement to keep it dynamic. The way the braids harmonize with the loose elements creates a beautiful blend of sophistication and ease, making this versatile and timeless look for any occasion. If you have enjoyed this tutorial and want to dive deeper into the heart of dreadlock styling, I invite you to join my virtual class where I will share even more tips and techniques for perfecting your craft. All the details you need are in the description below. I look forward to help you take your skills to the next level. Thank you for watching the tutorial to the end and stay locked for more tutorials to come.